so beautiful. Huh, Daddy? Why I'm so beautiful? We're so hungry. We're gonna eat a Popeye today. I haven't eaten anything yet today, so I'm so freaking starving. We're gonna eat Popeye. Don't worry, I'm gonna treat you today because you're gonna buy me. Kain tayo, guys. We have here a fries. I like Popeye's fries. So good. Chicken tenders stew. Ang sarap ng ng fries ng Popeye. Mapak. Yes. Stop watching. Stop it, hon. Tapos na kami kumain. Punta na kami ng Costco. Diba? Nagutom kalado niya. Hindi pwedeng pupunta kami ng kung saan na hindi ako kumakain. Kasi gera yan, gera. Gera, guys. Pag hindi ako nakakain, gera. I love my new lip gloss. I like it. It's not heavy. We're here. My favorite store. Costco. Guys, wala pa atang Insta360. Naubos na. Kainis naman. Kainis. Kainis naman, wala ka. Guys, hindi kami nakabili. Kasi hindi namin alam yung bundle. Kung anong kasama. Hindi siya kita. Wala yung wala yung fast charging para sa battery. So we're gonna go to what is that? The base. We're here now at the exchange. Ayan. So guys, ito lang yung nabili namin dito sa days sa exchange. Yung lens niya, lens guard, at saka replacement lens kit. Kasi itong dalawang to ang wala doon sa bundle doon sa Costco. So, babalik kami ng Costco. We're going back to Costco to get that camera.
I should wait on this dude.
Because here is more expensive. It's like more...
100%. No.
How much is that, honey, here? Like 500 what?
533.
533?
Oh, it was on sale, so
Be careful, be careful.
463. It was cheaper than that, but it's missing a battery and
Yeah. So it's cheaper in here, but it's only the camera, the actual camera, and what, honey?
Hey, give a freaking 256 gig.
Yeah. So there's nothing. So it's cheaper in Costco, I think, because it comes with the selfie stick and what else, honey?
SIM card.
How do you call that? The one that you memory card and the pouches and everything. Yeah, we're going back to Costco. We're back. We're back in Costco. Pagod na ako. Sira na ang aking buhok. Why you pull me, honey? Ito na, pangalado. We went to the Asian store, but then this is our last stop. We're gonna get our mail from the app store.